Time to get some gas. Actually, I guess it's diesel, isn't it?
What card is it?
TSD card. I can't see him. It wasn't that, it's I couldn't see him. I think I'm gonna get about 50 gallons today. If you got a diesel engine, do you know about open roads? How big of a discount are we getting today with our open roads card? Let us know down in the comments how big of a discount we're getting. I'll put a screenshot down at the end. Come on. Third time's a charm. Is that 3 times? Yeah, 3 times. Wash it before you yummy. You know that saying, if you've been on a cruise before. Who's been on a cruise? We're thinking about going on a cruise. What's your favorite cruise destination? Our 20th anniversary is next year, and we don't know if we're gonna all go on a cruise or just me and Tiff. Do you guys take your kids on cruises? Where should we go? We'd probably want to leave out of Florida because we'll be there for the winter. I don't know. Maybe Florida? That's what we did last time. One of the things we love about truck stops is being able to use the big pole, wash your windows. Tip and I went on a cruise a few years ago with some college friends. It was a ton of fun, and the kids are older now, so maybe we'll take them with us. We did Haiti and Jamaica. No Disney cruises or anything like that. That's too expensive. But need a cruise that can sleep 6 of us. That's the challenge. We also love these high capacity diesel nozzles. They make such quick work of getting diesel, especially when we need all 100 gallons, which never really happens. But today we're getting 50 gallons. Leave a comment. How big of a discount are we getting with open roads? We got a link down below if you don't have open roads. Let us know if you have questions. It saved us probably thousands over the last 4.5 years. I'm gonna try to stop it at 200. Nailed it. There's always a dribble no matter how many times you shake the stick. Fumble. Kind of a cool thing is we can fill up our diesel tank on either side, but usually it's the driver's side that we end up doing it on. Come on. I always like to do a walk around, make sure everything's looking good. See if Tiff's back in the car, see if she's ready to go. Short drive today, so she didn't we didn't hook up the van. And she's not in there. This bay in the middle never stays closed. So we got a bungee cord to keep it closed.
Ready?
Go wash my hands. Sure. Love you. Washy washy.
Where are they? Oh, yeah. Thank you. You're welcome.
Buckle up. Time to go. Get my camera turned on. There we go.
That is.
And here is our open roads screenshot to show you what our discount is. What did you think? Did you think we were going to save $30 on this 50-gallon fill-up? Let us know if you like this. We would love for you to subscribe and let us know in the comments if you want more videos like this. See you real soon.